Starting with the basics is key when you're new to cybersecurity. So first, check out Introduction to Cybersecurity by Cisco Networking Academy. This free course is perfect for beginners and covers the essentials of network security. Another great option is Cybersecurity Fundamentals by edX. It's a beginner-friendly course offered by top universities like the University of Maryland. Coursera offers a fantastic course called IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. It's a series of lessons designed for beginners and includes hands-on labs. So if you're looking for something more interactive, we have Cybrary, which offers free courses such as CompTIA Security Plus, which is a great start for those interested in certifications. Finally, the complete cybersecurity course on Udemy. That's what it's called. It's another great option, perfect for beginners and covers everything from network security to cryptography. So these courses are going to help you gain the skills and confidence that you need to start cybersecurity and start learning today. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.